Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to create a simple watermark in CapCut. So we're just going to have our video here. Basically we're just going to go into text and just select the default text or any other text you want. Going to put it here and just put it in a corner where you want the watermark to be. Basically just like that. Then we're just going to choose the style of it. So I'm just going to choose like this and just call it watermark. Then we're just gonna scroll down and lower the opacity so it looks better and less noticeable. And then once you're done with that, you're gonna go into animation, choose loop animation. Once you're in the loop category, you're basically gonna choose the scroll up option and make the speed a bit lower, so or higher, that is in this case. And then once you've selected that, you can basically span it across the whole video. Make sure to extend it and it will look like this. Anyways, that's how you make a basic watermark in CapCut. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you will like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.